What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to another caffeinated, high-octane episode of Crypto Over Redbull, your no BS breakdown of what's hot, what's happening, and what's pumping in the world of crypto. It's Monday, June 2nd, 2025, and the market is moving, the whales are feeding, and Bitcoin remains the star of the show. So go ahead, pop open that Red Bull, and let's go. Let's kick things off with the latest 7 crypto price updates. Bitcoin currently at 104,000, down from last week's all-time high of 111,000. If 102,000 breaks, analysts are watching for a potential bounce at 97K, while AI models still targeted 118,000 by month's end. Ethereum trading at 2,500, staying steady as the community eyes potential ETF momentum and breakout towards that 3,000 mark. BNB sitting at 652, showing some slippage but holding strong as the BNB chain ecosystem continues to evolve. Solana now at 153, pulling back from recent highs but still dominating Web3 gaming and NFT traffic. Cardano up slightly at 67 cents, but the big news, TRON flipped ADA in market cap this week. Charles Hoskins might not be selling. XRP at 215 and holding, that's right, quiet accumulation, potential reversal, and massive institutional interest are heating up. Dogecoin, one of our favorites, still waging at 19 cents. Elon's quiet lately, but Doge remains the ultimate wild card. Now for some Bitcoin news. Michael Saylor's strategy bought 705 Bitcoin this week for $75.1 million. They now hold over 580,000 BTC, worth more than $60 billion. LeClair of Metaplanet dropped a bombshell in Vegas. They're doubling BTC holdings every 90 days with no plans to stop. El Salvador added another 8 BTC, bringing their national stack to 6,194 BTC. That's generational holdings. Meanwhile, Mexico's third richest man, Ricardo Salinas Pliego, just said he's considering putting 100% of his portfolio in Bitcoin. You heard that right, 100%. Fiat is the risk now. Pakistan's government just unveiled a national Bitcoin reserve, plus 2,000 megawatts of energy dedicated to mining and AI. In the UK, Nigel Farage took the stage at the Bitcoin 2025 conference, pushing for a Bitcoin reserve at the Bank of England, a 10% crypto capital gains tax, and turning London into a crypto stronghold. Meanwhile, stablecoin giant Circle is filing for an $896 million IPO, targeting a $7.2 billion valuation. With USDC adoption booming and regulatory tailwinds from Trump's administration, this could be one of the most important public listings in crypto history. In one of the most viral moments from the Vegas conference, Michael Saylor told Joe Rogan live, "Let's talk Bitcoin." Will the king of podcasting finally bring the king of crypto on? If that happens, expect the laser eyes to come fully back in full force. May saw $244 million loss across 20 major crypto hacks, a 39% drop from April, but still a reminder that security isn't optional in DeFi. Most of the damage came from DEX exploits and wallet vulnerabilities. Stay safe, double check those contracts, and don't click random links. The biggest altcoin headline this week, TRON flipping Cardano in market cap. TRON's DeFi momentum and stablecoin growth gave it the edge, while ADA continues to bleed out. Solana and XRP are showing signs of strength, but meme coins like WIF and Ray were among the week's biggest losers. In the US, a Connecticut man was arrested in a failed kidnapping tied to a $230 million crypto theft. Over in Europe, Czech Justice Minister Pavel Blazak resigned after a scandal involving a 45 million Bitcoin donation from a convicted criminal sparked money laundering allegations. Eyes are on ETF flows this week, especially BlackRock and Fidelity. With BTC holdings over 100K and institutions still stacking, expect consolidation before the next leg up. And if Joe Rogan confirms Saylor as a guest, you'll want to front-run the narrative before normies even hear the word halving. That's all for today's Crypto Over Red Bull, where the markets may cool, but the alpha never stops. Be sure that you go ahead and subscribe and share this podcast. Also, if you want to go ahead and connect, shoot me an email at cryptooverredbull@gmail.com or hit me up on YouTube and Twitter at Krypton Cause Investing. But as usual, stay caffeinated and trade safe.